Good morning. All right, so see my hat? That is because I have a story about turning something that's very irritating, like crazy making, into a magical tool. That's what I'm about here. So if you're into using life as your workshop and gaining more magical tools, make sure you subscribe. All right, so here's my story. Actually, why are these cones here? They're cones. It's a beautiful day. People in the water. All right, so I used to have a rooster on my property. He just wandered up one day. And you know what roosters do? They crow, but not only at sunrise, they also crow at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. Roosters crow even before it's light out. So, this would wake me up naturally, and I do not like earplugs. Sorry, even white noise did not help me. I got a white noise machine that was like from the 80s because my mother had saved it. I got a new white noise machine that even made fireplace sounds with little crackles. Nothing would block this dang thing. And literally every morning, I would wake up around 3 because of this guy. So we tried all sorts of ways to catch him. What did we do? We set traps. I hired a guy who then wouldn't come back after the first try because he's like, nope, I can be able to get your rooster. I was like, dude, it's not even my rooster. It's just the rooster who decided to hang out at my house. And if you've seen videos of me talking, you will hear the rooster in the background sometimes on those videos because roosters don't just crow in the early morning. They crow all flippin' day long. So this guy would irritate the living stuff out of me. And that lasted until one day when my friend said to me, Kathy, why don't you use him as your mindfulness clock? Just like every time he crows, you just check in with yourself. Where am I at right now? Take a deep breath. And so the guy who would aggravate me all day long because I'm leading a guided meditation or I'm doing a YouTube video or I'm working with a client, the guy who woke me up early in the morning, became my mindfulness clock. Which reminds me, sometimes when I have clients who say, Kathy, my husband tells a story that could be told in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and he takes like 20 minutes to tell it. Or, this person drags on and on and on. I tell them, you have a free mindfulness training. So what in your life can you use as a training to become more present, more here, more in touch with this moment, wherever you are, whenever that stimulus occurs? It could be someone and their wordiness. It could be a noise that you don't like that occurs repeatedly. What can you use to help you become more grounded, relaxed, and present. Thanks so much for watching and have a gorgeous day. Love from Maui, and if you want to come join me on Maui, I have a couple of retreats coming up. One's at the end of September. It's going to be super fun. We did it once before. It's called Meditation, Magic, and Change. People healed stuff. They let go. They forgave and let go of the past and past situations. Healed stuff. I mean, physical healing. Like, what's it called? Tremors went away. And then the next opportunity on Maui is one of my favorite events of the year. People from last year actually asked, when are you doing it again? Can we come back? And that is our Women's Akashic Records retreat, which is just so bonding. There's so much nurturing community, and also you really go inward, connect with the messages just for you, just for your soul. It's really powerful and so rejuvenating. So that's in November. You can find out details right below or at clarityspace.org. All right, big love to you, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks.